Let us learn how to construct a perfect 90-degree angle using a compass, ruler and pencil. Already we discussed how can we draw an angle 45 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree using compass and ruler. And the link of these classes are available in our description box. Now, without loss of time, let's start. First, we draw a line. And label this. This line segment have two ending point A and B. Now place the pencil compass at the point A and we draw a arc with any radius. And without changing the radius of this arc, we draw again two consecutive arc from the. Now we draw from the point P. We draw an arc. Again we draw another arc from the point of intersection of the two arc. Now name this point of intersection as R Q, and without changing the radius, we again draw two arcs from the point R and Q such that and these two arcs intersect at the point S. Now we join A with S and give an arrow in the direction of S at the ending point. Similarly, we take an arrow in the direction of AB . Finally, we get an angle BAS. Now we measure it using protractor. We see that the measurement of this angle exactly 90 degree. 0 here 0 and here measurement is 90, which coincide with the AS. In this way, we draw an angle 90 degree using compass, pencil and ruler. Thank you. Visit again. Visit again.